table full of colors and a quiet little hum. I could craft alone, but somehow it feels more fun when tiny hands are reaching for the glitter in the tray, or mom is cutting paper like she always used to say. Every brush stroke, every real line turned a simple day to something shining. It's brighter when we craft together, sharing joy like painted feathers, little memories and glue and light, holding hearts a little tighter tonight, crafting together, making moments last forever. Friends drop in with laughter and a cup of something warm. We spread the colors wider like a quiet little storm. Even if life's heavy, we can lift it for a while, with glitter on our fingers and a soft familiar smile. Every ribbon, every fold makes our stories gently told. It's brighter when we craft together, sharing joy like painted feathers, little memories and glue and light, holding hearts a little tighter tonight, crafting together, making moments last forever. Tiny moments turn to treasure when we slow down life's wild pressure. Side by side, through every season, crafting gives our love a reason to sparkle, deepen, softly grow upon. The years can never let go. La la la, la la la, we share the colors. We lift each other. Memories whisper, la la la, together is brighter. It's brighter when we craft together, every moment light as weather. All these memories we shape with care, fill the room like warm enchanted air, crafting together. Life feels soft